Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving a verification code from TD Bank, the issue is usually related to network or contact settings. First, check that your phone number or email on the file is correct. Wait at least 1 minute, then request the code again. Also, double check that you're entering the number or email file is correct. Make sure you have the caps lock off or everything is in lowercase and the numbers are right. Then head over to your Gmail app and then check your spam or your trash or junk folder if the code is sent over there in the email. After that, restart your phone to refresh server network issues. If the code still does not arrive, switch to another verification mode if available. Once resolved, you should receive verification codes without delay, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.